to add or remove hyperlink. So let's consider an example. Here I have a text with the name YouTube, which has been linked with the website. So if you click on this, you will see a new page will open. So how to do that one? The first thing you need to do is copy the URL and then go back to the Word. Let's go to the next page and type a text. Let's say this is a YouTube channel. So I will write a text as a YouTube. I can make it as a center or something. So just click, make it center. If you want to increase the font size, maybe you can make it bigger. And now let's say we need to hyperlink. So select the text, go to the insert, and over here you will find option link. So click on the link and paste the URL which you have copied. Click OK. And this is how you can connect. Now if you click over here, it will open the page. So this is not just limited with the text. Let's say if you want to attach that hyperlink to a shape. So let's consider a shape here and draw a shape. Select the shape and go to the insert. Click on the link, paste the link, click OK. Now this shape also got that